Quiet on the band today. I heard a little something coming in I just got in here on channel 11. Right there, Hawaiian skip. So, just about 5 p.m. Nothing. So channel 11, we got some Central Pacific. Let's go to channel 6. See if we can call. CQ, Brigger Mini Grass. How about it, Mini Grass? 612 Gulf Islands. 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Any stations out there in the Hawaiian Islands, copy 612 Gulf Islands. 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Gotta remember, it's pretty basic contact for us on these islands to get to Hawaii because we're just shooting right across the Pacific. How about it, Mini Grass? How about it, Mini Grass? 612 Gulf Islands. 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Nothing. Let's go to 11. How about it, Mini Grass? How about it, Mini Grass? 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. 612 on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Waving aloha. How about it, Mini Grass? How about it, Mini Grass? 612 Gulf Islands. 612 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. How's this radio making it out? Any conditions to the Mini Grass? 612 Gulf Islands waving at the Hawaiian Islands. How about it, number 5 out there in the Hawaiian Islands? 612 Gulf Islands. 612 waving from the Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Aloha, Hawaiian Islands, 612 Gulf Islands. 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Here we go. All right, number 5, we're getting you, man. You're sounding good out here. Number 5, out there in the Hawaiian Islands, 612 waving aloha and shaka wave from the Gulf Islands, North Pacific. All right there, number 5, Big Island, mahalo, shaka wave and aloha. Thanks for coming back to my little radio here. Cheers in 73s and happy DXing. 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Aloha. Here we go. Made it back on the IMAX. That made me happy. On AM too. Channel 11. Wow. Said I was coming in 7 dBs. I got a room full of you over here. You're sounding good on the Gulf Islands. 612 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. .612 Gulf Islands, reading the mail. I made it out there in the